So today I will draw a picture and the picture name is rainbow scenery. So let's get started. First of all, I will make a type of circle. And then we should take it a smaller. And then again smaller. 2. And now 3. And now 4. And then 5. Then 6. Rainbow has 7 colors, so I forget. Okay, so it's a very big rainbow. And now let's give the cloud with a gel pen. Almost done the border. Now I will give my favorite thing, the color of rainbow. And I love these colors. Do you love a rainbow? And you see rainbow in the sky? I see just one time. Rainbow has first of all red color. Yeah? Am I right? Yes. Rainbow's first color is red. Rainbow has 7 colors. You know, I already said there are red, orange, green, blue, many colors, and I love these colors a lot. So let's do the red one. Red. So red is my one of the favorite color. I have 5 favorites color and red is one of them. And do you know what's my favorite color? Red, pink, black and purple. These are my favorite colors. And yellow, I love yellow a lot, but not too much. Because the sun color is yellow. I love the evening time, so that's why I love yellow. My red color is done, and now I will do the orange color. After red, we should give orange color in the rainbow. But when I see rainbow in the sky, I see just 3 colors, red, green and yellow. Because the rainbow color was very thin, so that's why we see just 3 colors. Okay, now I will give yellow color, and I already said I have 5 favorite colors and yellow is one of them, and I love yellow a lot. You can see. And you know rainbow, when rain is done and sun is coming, in that time we can see the rainbow. Because that time is very comfortable. Now which color? I guess it's green. Green. And I know our rhymes with rainbow. In my plus 2 I learned these rhymes. That was very amazing, and there was my miss, and she told these rhymes. She learned these rhymes uh, in her childhood. And now green color, we should always, when we draw a rainbow, we should always keep the light green color in the rainbow. Then it looks bright, because green is after yellow, and yellow is a light color, and we will give green dim, then it will look very boring. But I love this green. This is the light green color. Now I will keep here blue. Here is my blue color. So, do you know the sky color is also blue? Now, in this cloud, which color I will give? That will be white. And a most interesting thing is the cloud, because I will draw it with that color. A very interesting thing. Violet. Violet, and this is the violet color, and it's look like a type of purple, and I love purple color a lot, and violet color I love also. Indigo. Where is my indigo color? Here it is. When we see the indigo and the navy blue, it will be like same type of. You can see this is the indigo and this is the navy blue. Same. Okay, now our rainbow color is done. Now I will give these clouds. I'm very excited. And do you know I will draw it with which thing? Tissue paper. Wait. First of all, I wet this tissue paper, then I dry this, and then I cut it short. And it will be very hard drawing because it is with the glue. Now let's draw the first one. You will not fill this with whole tissue paper. You can see this is the my favorite part in this drawing. And I see a video. In that video, a girl is drawing a cup of coffee with tissue paper, and I'm very interested to draw something. I don't want to copy her, so that's why I draw a rainbow. Now this one. And do you know, rainbow is my favorite drawing also. Oh. Feel this. It's a very interesting part, I guess. You can practice drawing a lot, and when we practice it we can develop So, uh, my tissue paper is completed. Now, oh, now you can see my drawing is also complete, and there is the last part of my drawing. Oh. Not this. So you can see this is our this is our drawing, and I love it a lot. Do you love my drawing? I mean tissue drawing. So bye bye.